Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the task scheduler service is not available. Task scheduler will attempt to reconnect to it. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be actually go ahead and restart your PC. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem guys. After that go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for task scheduler. Just need to double click on it and make sure the startup type is automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to start it guys. After making changes select apply and ok for save changes, and now close it up here and now go to search menu and type task scheduler. Click on open it, and now you want to navigate to whatever the problematic task that you were having the issue with previously. You just need to double click on it and select the conditions tab, and we just need to check mark start only if the following network connection is available. Check mark it, and now click on this drop down and check any network. Again you will do this for whatever task specifically you are having the problem with. After doing this select ok, and now close it off here. Go ahead and restart your PC for changes take effect. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.